tomorrow, you will have the big boy Reliance Industries that will be reporting its Q4 numbers. I have Varun standing by patiently to tell us what the street is anticipating when it comes to Reliance Industries. Varun, this time, do you think it's going to be big bang earnings or it's just going to be muted?
It's going to be a soft quarter. It's going to be a soft quarter for Reliance Industries. We are expecting the revenues to grow by around 0.5%. The EBITDA to come down by around 1% and the profit to decline by around 0.4%, and the profit is expected to come at around 18,471 crores. The margins would decline by around 25 basis points. It will come at around 18%. That is what we are expecting. Now, what are the factors that are leading to this soft quarter for this company? So basically, if you look, the oil to chemical business and also the oil and gas business, they are expected to be weak on a quarter-on-quarter basis, although this would be offset by strong digital and retail business. But this business, the oil to chemical and oil and gas business, that is expected to show some weakness. If you look, the benchmark Singapore GRM, that has fallen around 58% on a Y-on-Y basis on weak global product cracks, and this will impact the overall business for oil and gas. If you look at the oil to chemical business, the EBITDA that is expected to be flat on a quarter-on-quarter basis but fall by around 12 to 14% on a YOY basis, and this is due to weak product cracks and also petchem spread. In fact, the overall production in the KG D6 block that would decrease despite a 2% increase in the deep water gas prices. Now, this will impact the overall EBITDA for oil to chemical business and oil and gas business as well. When it comes to other business, the RJio business, it is doing good. We are expecting the EBITDA to increase 2% quarter-on-quarter basis and around 16% on a YOY basis, and this is basically due to increase in ARPU. If you remember, before some quarters, Reliance has taken price hike. In fact, RJio has taken price hike, and that is helping the overall RJio business. The ARPUs, they are expected to grow by around 1%, and it is expected to come at around 205. Now, when it comes to retail business, on a year-on-year basis, we are expecting a 10% increase in EBITDA and expected it to come at around 6,400 crores. But on a quarter-on-quarter basis, the EBITDA for retail business will actually decline. This is because of the high base that the previous quarter had because of festival season. So, in a nutshell, if you look at Reliance, the overall performance would be soft. Oil and gas business, oil to chemical business, that would be weak. RJio and retail would be good.
All right, thank you so much for that, Varun, for outlining about what we are expecting from Reliance Industries. But remember, Reliance will be reporting their numbers tomorrow late in the evening.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.